Good day, class. Today, we will be discussing how to say formal and informal goodbyes in English. Just like greetings, goodbyes are an important part of our daily interactions. They can vary depending on the level of formality and the relationship between the individuals involved. Let's begin. When it comes to formal goodbyes, we typically use polite and respectful language. Here are a few examples. Goodbye is a standard and universally understood formal goodbye. It is appropriate for professional settings or when bidding farewell to someone you don't know well. Farewell is another formal option that carries a sense of sincerity and wishes the other person well. This is often used on more formal occasions or when parting ways for an extended period. Have a great day/evening or take care are friendly yet formal ways to end a conversation. They show consideration for the other person's well-being and can be used in both professional and casual settings. Now, let's move on to informal goodbyes. These are used among friends, family, or in casual situations. Here are a few examples. See you later or see you soon are commonly used in formal goodbyes. They imply that you will see the person again in the near future and are suitable for most casual settings. Take it easy or catch you later are more laid-back informal goodbyes. They express a sense of casualness and familiarity and are typically used among close friends or peers. Bye or goodbye can also be used in informal situations, but with a more casual tone. These are commonly used when parting ways with friends or acquaintances. Remember, the level of formality in your goodbyes should match the context and your relationship with the other person. It's important to be mindful of cultural norms and individual preferences as well. Now, let's practice. I'll give you some scenarios, and I want you to provide an appropriate formal or informal goodbye. Ready? Scenario 1, ending a conversation with your boss at work.
Goodbye, Mr. or Miss Johnson. Have a great day.
Excellent. That's a polite and formal way to say goodbye to your boss. Scenario 2, leaving a gathering with your friends.
See you guys later. Take care.
Well done. That's an informal and friendly goodbye suitable for a casual setting. Now let's see some examples.
Thank you for meeting with me today. I appreciate your time and insights.
You're welcome, Justin. It was a pleasure discussing these important matters with you.
Likewise. I look forward to working together on this project.
Absolutely. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out.
Thank you, Amber. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. You too. Goodbye. In this conversation, Justin and John engage in a formal discussion, expressing gratitude and professionalism throughout. The conversation concludes with a polite and formal goodbye, acknowledging the level of formality in their interaction.
Hey, it was great hanging out with you today.
Yeah, I had a blast. We should do this again soon.
Definitely. Let's plan another get-together next week.
Sounds good. Take care, and have a great day.
You too. Catch you later.
Bye.
In this conversation, John and Sarah are friends or acquaintances who have spent time together. The conversation is casual and friendly, with informal language and a relaxed tone. The goodbye is informal, using phrases like take care, catch you later, and bye. Great job, everyone! By understanding the distinction between formal and informal goodbyes, you can navigate different social situations with ease. Practice using the appropriate farewell expressions, and you'll become more confident in your English communication skills.